Hope everybody's fine. CPI's in an hour. Expect some nice volatility then. Gonna be a good stream. Let's maybe go over some trades I was taking today. I had a short. Short was kind of got invalidated. So short was here. Took that short. Normally when I'm playing in Q, I would swap my position when I see they're not breaking through to it. This time I just faced a hard fat pump. I'm the one that got wrecked. I'm the one that helped people get their money. So I was not really that happy with this trade, in all honesty. Here they showed me quite some strength. 4 hour was closing up, all that beautiful stuff. And then of course I had to make a comeback. Went in, checked the order flow, really loved what they were doing here. And I actually got this right here was my entry. Wait a little bit, and then finally got my redemption. After that, I took another long here, but after this I saw them failing, so put my stop loss to break even. Last trade was this one. So smashed in here, PT there, left to my haircutter, and I saw I got stopped out, and then it is what it is. So here I am, looking for some PEPE. We will be doing some BTC analysis in a second as well. However, I quickly wanted to see what PEPE is going to do in this range. In my opinion, they can still go a little bit lower. Order flow wise, it's looking okay still. Now, honestly though, there is still a lot of people that are long that have not been stopped out yet. That's the only thing that worries me. So that's the only thing that makes me think, you know, if I want liquidity, where will I get it? And this is where I believe they'll get it. How do you see a lot of people are still long? I'll show it to you in a second. Let me quickly check Bitcoin as well, and then I'll go over how I can see that people are still long. They're kind of doing what I wanted them to do a lot later. So I don't really want them to hold this. I actually want them to go all the way to 62A. I still have my alert there. I'm still waiting for it. I haven't been trading Bitcoin a lot, mainly because I start with a scalp and make a swing position. And in Bitcoin lately, unless it's 330/ New York Open, the volatility is just fucking shit. So for Biddy, looking for 62.8. Do they have to do it? No. If they're gonna lower inflation again, what will that do with Bitcoin, etc., etc.? You can make up your mind, whatever you want, but I think this range has been played out. The only thing left in terms of support, for my opinion, is 62 area. So let me show you what I mean. When we went up, right, the first move up, look how many more longs we got, many breakout longs we got. Here, very perfect distribution, high, new high, people were shorting into it, restricting it, shorting into it, stopping the people out, loads of selling pressure, and then dumping through it. Now here, this is where you want to go. This is where you want to go in terms of order flow, but we'll see. If they start distributing now, or accumulating now, then I'll be happy as well. Yeah, quant tower, yeah. Let's wait. Okay, so you can probably see volume going down all over the place right now. They're gonna await CPI. Let me quickly double check. CPI is in 14 minutes. You know, the problem with CPI is, and let me give you my playbook for something like CPI, is don't play the first few minutes. Play like after 3 minutes, dumbass. Okay, 4 minutes left. Well, you don't need to watch the news. I don't give a what the numbers are. But they just need to know, okay, at that moment in time, I have to be very careful with scalping. Because if you then scalp, you might get a lot of slippage. Let's see, will it be a pump and a dump, or will it be a pump? I'll be longing PEPE until there. Let me quickly check, is Bitcoin still not reversing? Nope. Okay, let's go. We'll need to wait for a 3-minute close. 1 minutes are not that important in this area. They're holding, and to be honest, NQ really pumped a lot. So it was not really a fake out, I think. Wanted to actually take a long here, but the kind of front run should have smashed in, but they're doing it quite quick right now. Like where you want to short, I would just long into it, until you get a fall, right? There's no reason to short this. There are two options, this one or this one, let's see. So as I said, hold this. Now I want to make a new high. Stop loss already moved to break even, else we're going to go here. Let's see. Volatility is insane. 0.5 was the PT. So risk has been lowered already, let's see. If they're not gonna pump here, I'm gonna pump here. PT2 in. Next PT is 2%. As you can basically use a 10SK on this, right? So that's actually what I did. So you have the top side of the block. You touch the top side of the block. Want to hold the bottom side of the block. Nothing more. So for PEPE, I'm kind of looking for them to pump all the way there, okay? So first PT was only 1 hour. I know nobody will talk about it. I'm honest, only 1 hour. Then 2 hour, and then the next one is here. Didn't get triggered yet. I don't really care if it triggers or not. And the moment my first PT hit, I knew they only want to hold higher lows, so let's do this. So what a lot of you guys have to understand as well is it's not so much about how much money I make. I'm keeping, you know, the profits I make. A lot of the people would take only 20% profit, not move their stop loss, get stopped out, and the winning trade turns into a loser. Finally, I'm late enough to catch a Skoller live trade. Let's go. I got a long, by the way. PT right here. I need to update this on core. There's no way to prove that this is the number I longed, but yeah, this is the trade I'm in right now, right? From here-ish. Oh, I can actually show it like this, right? The trade. Yeah, there we go. There it is. Next PT area hit. Yeah, if I take 3 bad trades in a day, I stop. No, hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. No. No, 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 no. Don't go below here. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Now retrace it or just push through, your choice. But looking for a rehold of this. You know, we need to make people think we're gonna short. So let's see how bearish they are. You want that 140? Yeah, I'll be taking PT here. It's the end of the sequence of the move. And then looking for 145. Come on, push it through. Or retrace it, you can choose. But order flow is saying up. Loads of shorters here. So people shorting here. Price going up without actually filling it. Personally, looking for a higher low play here-ish. They already did the higher low play on the CVD right here. Into the pump. But I kind of just want to see 139 right now. Let's see. They're still shorting into it. PT on the drop. Let's go. Woo. We might get to achieve it, come back down, and then go up. We'll see what I do. Okay. So the people that have been here for a little bit, right? They know a 4618 end of the sequence, right? You have the same thing in block sequencing. Now, I know it's a big range. This is the first PT zone. This is the distribution zone. So in my opinion right now, to what I'm seeing, if NQ closes somewhere near here, we're just gonna go there. Okay. So I'm actually looking for up only right now. Now, can they fuck around? Yeah, it'll depend on the first 30 minutes. If the first 30 minutes closes, let me quickly check. Too many sequences, man, on my chart. You guys want to see how my chart looks on NQ? It's a little bit out of hand. It's like this. It's all sequence lines. But it's because of multi-time frame sequences, but need to clean it up. Oh, there we go. There we go. GG on the PT, guys. Whoever took a PT there. The level not to lose right now is gonna be right here. Let's remove this. So what's the reason you often get wicks, right? It's because every PT triggers on a touch of a sequence, right? So they touch it and then they mark it out to PT because they don't expect themselves to get filled. That's why you very often get this. And then, as I said before, the order flow was kind of giving it away as well because price was going up, but people were filling their shorts, right? So it means the same guy's just propping up the price, filling his own shorts, to then let it go down. You're good? Thanks. Thanks, darling. So since the stream start, we took 2 trades. We took this one, and we took this one. That's it. I need to hold above this for 2 more minutes. If not, coming down here. And you can very easily see right now, if they restrict it, touch it, don't close above it, means they're restricting on a little bit lower. In my opinion, restriction, so lower. I still have this long, looking for another one there. Let's see. Like, for example, this trade is something everyone in SDG catches. And why? Because we trade the same system. We find the same lines with the same rules. And for me, if everyone's trading the same system, it's easy to tell them, oh man, you didn't see that. Why did you short here? Right? This confirms that. My main issue that I still need to work on, because even right? I'm not nowhere near perfect. Like, I still need to work on getting better R and all that. That's my main issue. Like, getting trades in, no big a deal. But now I'm just busy with expanding my R. And ever since I've been busy with expanding my R, my P&L has skyrocketed. I almost haven't had a $500 day anymore on Q. Most of the time it's 1K now, thanks to that R change. So I have this simple rule. If I take 3 trades that are not within my system, no matter if they're a winner or a loser, I stop trading for the day. 10 PA funded accounts on Apex. So that's, yeah. What people always misunderstand is that I win every day, win every trade. No, right? Sometimes I dig a hole of 1K, but I still come back from it. Like the 28, like here. I first was down 1.3K. I was trading good, but my trend was wrong. My execution was perfect, but my trend was wrong. And then I flipped it around with 1 trade, made it back. And then ended the day 28, yeah, with 1.4K profit. Only 40 minutes afterwards. But for that, you need to understand trend, right? You need to understand your system, your ins and outs. Because if you only then can you validate, oh no, I'm trading wrong today. Loads of shorters coming in on PEPE. Give me a second. I need to think what I'm gonna do. Close could have been better, but let's see if they pump it up or not. I got a new trade in PEPE, got a small add-on. But it's hard to showcase this one because this trade is still in as well. But I added here on the smash. Looking again for this one for my PT. I might leave my trade. See, and this is the thing as well. I was on the brink of getting out, but I held it, so I'm not going out. Let's see. The buyers are coming in though, but they need to start achieving. They did successfully achieve some mid time frame. However, they can easily reject right there, but I'm starting to doubt if they'll get there. Let me quickly use this and put it over there. This is the line I want them to achieve. If they keep on restricting it on the 1 minute, not that good. Yeah, same as a new trade, just to move your... oh, the restriction, bruh. Yeah, so just keep the stop loss in of your first trade and then just add a new trade to it. Don't look at the changed entry. Let me quickly check order flow. Quite some buys coming in. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna sit. Might de-risk soon. There we go. De-risked. Will get stopped out, but I don't care. De-risk is not smashing out. It's stop loss to break even. Then you know we will still have a probability that they will go up, but you will also have a probability that they don't go up. It's just to me like I expected them to be more aggressive to the upside. They didn't do it, so yeah, you know what? Why would I take my full stop if they do not do what I want, right? And that's where a lot of people fail as well. Like they're like, I see that my trade's going against me. Now the thing is, you of course need to know what you're expecting from the market, because for example, if you just move your stop loss completely the whole time without any systemized sense or logic to it. Well, then you're just over managing, right? I've been waiting for a few minutes since this long to tell myself like, nah, okay, whatever. They're not doing it as expected, so I'm just gonna de-risk because I don't want to lose money on a trade that's not doing what I want. Okay, thank you very much. So what I wanted to say, my first PT was here. They didn't touch it, so now I brought it a little bit back down, and I was like, okay, now they're not gonna touch it either, or what? Man. This is gonna get stopped. Okay, my trade got stopped out on PEPE. I'm done with this one. Biddy, as I said before, I'll keep on repeating myself. For swing positions, I still want to wait for 62.5. Will they do it? Will they not do it? We'll see. Okay, then. This is gonna be fun. Let's see. Wanna buy here, wanna short there, very simplistic. Kinda wanna, so the play for PEPE today is gonna be go there, come down, hold it, blast off. Let's see if they do it. PEPE not achieving what they need to achieve. So let's see if they don't achieve it. I'm looking for... So bullish scenario. Bearish scenario. Let's see the order flow on it. Let's go. Okay, let's see if they hold high or low right here or not. So people are selling it, well, buying it up, but price hasn't really achieved anything right now. But there, okay, there's the attempt of the high or low hold. Quite clean, quite expected. Now let's see if they restrict this for a second time. Let me see. So people are selling into a little bit, but no one is really. The hands are holding good. So the only, oh yeah, I have a small short, like very small, 0.1 risk to get into the day. Now they're holding good, so I expect them to stop me out, just test trade for the day. Then I go back to my normal 0.5. Will be stopped out soon, I think. It's even less than 0.1 because it was a 0.5 for stop loss and I moved it all the way to the high. Feel to see if I take a bad trade, I instant know it's bad because of the reasoning. What I said. Yeah. Like, that's what I mean, man. Like, everyone thinks that trading is all knowledge, but once you have the knowledge, it still becomes a thing of, am I executing correctly? Am I doing this right? Am I doing that right? Right? People underestimate how hard it can be to execute correctly. And that's why you really start improving once you know yourself that you're doing something wrong. That's not in your playbook. It's whoa, holy shit, man! I should have longed it. PEPE never ceases to amaze me. It never ceases to amaze me. Let me check the order flow here. Someone either covered a lot of short, but I think just someone got wrecked there. Welcome to Crypto Scholar. Thank you very much, PEPE. Thank you for having me. Okay, so end of the sequence start for this one's gonna be here. Let's remove this line. Not need it. Not need it. Don't need it. There we go. They need to hold it for 6 minutes. Let's see if they can hold it. I think they will. Oh no, come on. I should have put an alert. Okay, guys, I'm gonna work with alerts again, okay? Let me quickly check this one. So yeah, they skipped this. So now you're just looking for that. No, it was a little bit clean. Should have limited it. My bad. But they're stagnating, so let's see if they can blast it up now or not. Pushing through. Wanna hold this though, wanna hold this. Next levels to look for on this one. Let's see how they wreck there. Kinda wanna wait for like few minutes and then might enter long. I'm just a little bit sassy. Just front run it, man. Why are you front running? Why are you front running? But for IO, I'm actually looking for a little bit lower, like here somewhere. Oh, let me see. A little bit lower, please. Would be very nice if there's a crypto thing all the way there. You know, let's ultra scalp this pair. I'm kind of in the mood. But let me prepare some things for that. Kinda might want it to go a little bit lower. Yeah, so this is all the possible range. It can actually go a little bit deeper. Let's see. Buyback isn't too sufficient yet. A lot of sellers there. Let's see. Let's see if it reacts like NQ or not. Order flow right now. Getting a little bit of buys, but not too many to be honest. Not really expecting it to hold that much. Might get stopped soon. Let's see if they hold the line again. Need one more hold. Still a lot of selling pressure at supports. That's good to see. Now I need to achieve though. People will take PT here already from this long. Very aggressive trading here going on, so I like it. Very quick, very bouncy, high percentile. Okay, one more minute. Let's go. Power minute. Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. Rack some shorts. Go, 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 go. We got our first PT and that's it. Go, go, go. Okay, nearing end of sequence. Already starting to disroute, which is good. We can maybe take a short later on. So, first proper win on IOST. Stopped out right now though. Let's wait for this. Nothing really created as expected, so the rejection was good. Was very happy with this PT. Very aggressive PT taking here because while you're trading a downtrend, right? You're trading the first step of an accumulation and a lot needs to come in, so be greedy with your PTs when you're trading a downtrend on the long side. Now, could I have shorted it? I probably should have, would have, could have, but, you know. I like the order flow a little bit. Let me quickly see. Okay, they're not accumulating at all yet. They're just letting it rip. So let's wait here. This is another option, but I'm not going to limit these. Gonna wait a bit. because this will be the rejection point. Ooh, oh, never mind. There might be a smash coming in. Okay, never mind. Not gonna do it. Now it's getting into the zone. Yeah, here's the zone. Here I want to look for longs. But if they fall through, they fall through, you know. Then there's nothing to do about it. The ideal thing would be closing 15 minutes above this zone. But it's 1 minute left to save. Never limit long into momentum. 1 minute left. Now let's see if they save it. Now we'll see if some people are defending it or not. Yeah, people are defending it. We will win. The Bulls or the Bears, guys. We will win. 15 seconds left. New low, try again. I know one thing though, if it rips, it rips. So let's see. Yeah, I already have a long though, so I'm looking for a little bit of an up move now. Okay. Oh, they could have closed it better on 3 minutes. We're getting progression though here, that's what I want to see. Order flow, accumulation in this up move, so now probably new low again. Okay, let's see if they save it. So, got 1 PT at 5.85. That's going to be the only one I take for this trade. Here you can see I failed to hold it. Really long. Now, I'm kind of expecting a pump now. Go, 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 go. Let's... Oh, no, so close. Come on, bro. Don't restrict it. And then save the hourly and go up here. Go, go, go. That's the plan, right, guys? Last 5 minutes into the pump. Go. Yeah, that last flicker of defending it in the... So now we have to hope that they don't smack it back down there. And then if we go there, I save it. I said I was expecting the higher allowed play, eh? Second PT should be in on the long though. Since it's a bottom side reversal play, 20%, 20%, so 6% should be left in. For people wondering, stop losses here for me. But gonna move it there now. They don't wanna, they should not close below it anymore. Let's quickly check PEPE. Can't do anything on the other one anyway. PEPE is not that interesting today. iOS where it's at, man. Possible re-add right here. Let's see. No way. Front run my re-add. Yeah, now I don't want it anymore. That's always what I do. So if I get front run the first swing up, I remove it. Because this trade is a go, go, go trade. Right? They had to touch it, go, go, go. Now let's see, try again maybe. Okay, I re-added smash in. Now let's see if they go. But it's only 1 minute left. How's the hourly looking? It's looking decent. 1-1 PT. Entry was right here. Now let's see if they go up. Second PT 85-1. Need to achieve it. Come on, bro. They need to make a new high now, else it's gonna fail. New high, stop loss to break even. Okay, 1 minute, 1 hour closed volume coming in. Need to hold it. If they don't hold it, I'm out. Let's see. Last 10 seconds to achieve. Hey, I got my second PT. Well played, whoever did this MMing stuff down there. You're very thankful for carrying me. I'm just riding along, man. Riding along. So we took the long here, then we took the long. Well, I was a pussy for, you know, leaving. Well, removing my limit, but it smashed in here. When I saw them, you know, absorbing the liquidity. So yeah, now just waiting. Man, this volatility, this is what I love to see in crypto, man. Stop losses and profit. I don't care. Dump it down. You did what you needed to do, man. Congrats. There we go. Right now, looking for another new low. Want to sweep the origin right here, preferably. Come back down there. So this can be removed. Grab some more liquidity, fill some more bags. PTs got taken, so we have more to refill. This is quite important. What's gonna happen now? Now, yeah, okay. Oh, wait. Okay, now we wait. Will there be a buyback or not? Let's see. New low though on the CVD. So let's wait. That's why don't limit it, guys. Don't limit it. Wait. So what I'm yeah, maybe I should have said that. But what I'm waiting for is a touch and a acceptance buyback. Then you just smash in. Making some monies. Yeah. Making some monies. Mental limit, yeah. We have a mental limit, boys. So preferably, where I will limit, a little bit lower. It's a little bit wide of a box, but there. They might try again. It's not lost yet, but they need to now achieve 5 point. This one. Need to achieve bottom side here. Then you get another possible reversal. So let's see. 1 minute left, and then I think now they're gonna, if they achieve this on 15, they might be reversing. If they don't, it's no reversal. Looks like they want to save it. Let's see. Come on. 15 seconds left. Last 10 seconds, I'll fight for it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice buyback on the 15 minute. We can do something with this. Let's see. Yeah, I said I couldn't catch the long. Didn't want to risk it here. Had the limit short here, but should have smashed. So just achieve it right now and pump it up, please. They're doing everything correctly now. There is the achievement, now comes the pump, in my opinion. Let's see. Yeah, I need to hold this. There's the hold. Clean. Yeah, so we've been doing a lot of things. So I had a long, I got a short here as well. So that's why I'm not really talking a lot. Got a PT here because that's the play I wanted. So got the PT in. We're almost, I don't know how to say this in percentile. I started shorting this shit way too late, man. And now I believe they'll go up, but well, I will see. Very happy with how I'm trading now though. So took a later long here, took PT there, hedged it short, took a PT here, and now I'll just wait. I believe my short will be stopped and longs will be going up. Now it's very early still, I still need to do a lot on the 3 minute, but you know. Okay, there we go. It's hard to stream very actively and talk. Now, no trading zone anymore. You should be hedged right now and just waiting for their decision to make. Short stop losses right here, long stop losses just new high. Shorts took PT, long took PT, just wait. Could have re-longed it here as well, but I still am a little bit afraid of it, so I'm gonna wait because, well, in terms of progression, they are progressing, but they're not doing the best things. But let's see if they can pump it up to there now. 5 minutes left. Okay, so 4 minutes left until the 50-minute close. It's gonna be an important close. Gonna wait out, see how this squeeze is gonna end up. As you guys know from the demon session, whenever I play squeezes, I just patiently wait, so... Haven't lost a single trade on this one yet. The volatility is insane. So, if the volatility is insane and you have decent strike rate, right? Look at this. Yeah. Boom. Boom. You can go back in the vaults and see that I took all those trades. And here I smashed in as well. Like, this kind of trading you cannot do if you're new. But this is advanced SCG level 2. Everyone in my group can trade like this if they become level 2, 3. There's no secrecy. There's no secrecy with what I'm doing here. This is what I teach, right? The next 50 minutes are going to be quite important. But gonna sit a little bit on the sidelines and try to catch the extra swing add-on. If they do want to decide to go lower. A decent range for accumulation. They first did it here. I think the other MM said, no, let me use your liquidity. Pom, smashed it down to the next block and then let's go. Watching you trade hurts my head. Well, it has become an automatization for me. Now, normally I don't trade crypto coins like this, but because the cheaps are so oh, my short's gone. Because the fees are so cheap on this, it's worth it. So okay, you guys are now gonna see what happens to everyone in the squeeze. My short gets stopped, my long gets stopped, so it will need to find new positions. It's okay. I'm having a blast, man. I like this. If you see a crypto coin with this volatility, you need to abuse it. Because if you catch a bottom on it, just imagine, right? You catch the bottom, you're gonna sweep the highs, 17R. No matter, like, let's say you have 20% left, it's still a lot of money you make from the swing. And here you can take very quick early PTs without getting punished for it. What am I looking for? I'm looking for a new low. I'm just a little bit sad my short got stopped out and didn't re-smash, but yeah, it is what it is. I want this. And I'll be honest, yeah, I can short here, but I'm a little bit too afraid of it. So I'm just gonna wait. Let the market decide. You know, sometimes you gotta give the fate to the market. I could have re-shorted after this big wick though. It would have looked something like this, how I would have played it. So, short, Stop loss over the high. Don't really care too much about R. New low right here. PT 0.8 PT. I don't give a f about it. Stop loss to break even. Because the big money comes if they then make the new low and then do this. Alright. Like as I said, I wanted to take a short here, but I was a little bit too afraid. If I was in the short, put their stop loss already there. There's no point. They don't like if they want to go for the new high, they'll you know, they'll go up. But this could have oh, it's 0.5 as well. I need to stop soon because else rejection. That's the long I missed. Okay, so now I want to see what they're gonna do. I don't like them holding it again. I don't have faith in that. They can come here, but I want to see them go there. Yeah, you're gonna try again. So there's a few options in terms of order flow what they can do. They can make new lows from the order flow, hold a higher low here and pump still, but oh man, it's hard. I'll take a gamble. I take a gamble. GG. Now go. Now they just need to go. Stop loss can already be at break even. I don't care if they come back from me. They just need to go now. Oh yeah, I'm in. Yeah, I'm in. Look.
The system gave a long, so I took a long.
Second PT coming in right here. Thank you very much. Now we're gonna see if they're gonna reverse or not. Like, this is a big rejection zone again. So, right. There we go. 5.28. This is the entry. You know, I know it's gonna be a win. No, I just know the probability of going up changed all the way to 70%. My client took the same trade on Iris. There you go. Entry from... He smashed a little bit later than I did, but... GG. Keep it simple, man. Yeah, keep it simple, Bazinga, as long as it works, right? I know you want it. I know you want chat. What I would say to someone who wants to build one, just like build one. Like, you need. I've repeated myself in this case a lot of times, right? So you just need one setup to start out. You need to split the setup and see where it works: uptrend, downtrend, or distribution accumulation. And from there on out, like it's just a lot of back testing, writing down what works, what doesn't work, because you need at least 3 setups for a system, one in every market environment. Are they finally going, boys? Are they finally going? My runner banging, same man, congrats. I think I'm done. We're up 2.2%. I can't technically close my trade, I'll be up 3%, but, you know, let's see. This shit's gonna blast back up, baby. Yeah, so, trade's up. Love to see these numbers, right? Very clean accumulation. Well, tell me another streamer, guys, that trades live, proves he's trading live, and catches bottoms. My name is Skoller, thank you for being here. Okay, so now comes the retest again. So what I want to hold now is, in my opinion, 5.583. Well, the trades I took here today is actually how I trade in Q as well. Actively. But I don't need to check footprint charts for it, because, like, you gotta remember, right now, for this bottom, I used 1, 2, 3, 4 sequences. 4. In combination with order flow and then price action. 3 out of the 4 sequences were aligning. The higher time frame still is saying this. I still keep my limit in for if they scam wicket, but we'll see. Kiss your... I don't have a cat. I have a doggo, man. Want to see a picture of the doggo? Let me share a picture of the doggo. It's my doggo. Looks like my profile picture, right? Like the old one I have on Twitch. Could have relonged it maybe, but kind of need a break soon. No, they need to hold this. Hold it. Let me check the order flow. Who's selling into us? Yeah, you didn't catch me yet, man. Come get me if you want it. Come get it. Come. No? Okay. Was a very clean push, though. 3 minutes is not looking so fine, though. Looking for new lows. If they cannot start achieving. Nah, they will not make another higher low. If they go now, down, they'll go. Yeah, I'll probably go soon, I think. Was a good stream. Lots of trading. I hope you guys liked it. Haven't seen anyone do this stuff before, so if you like what you see, feel free to give me a follow. I'll stream twice a week. Follow me on Twitter. And other than that, yeah, just have fun, guys. So see you later. Adios, amigos.